Hey guys, James here, back with another video, and today we've got a very simple unboxing of this switch right here. So this is the TP-Link 8-port desktop switch. It's a Gigabit switch, and the full model number you can see is TL-SG108. So if you've been following my channel for a very long time, you may or may not have noticed that I actually have done an unboxing of the 5-port version of this, the Gigabit switch. So I figured, you know, that one got quite a few views, and you know, I figured might as well do this one. So obviously this is TP-Link. This is their new design. If you haven't noticed, they do have a new design. I love it how this has got the UV spotting. That's what it's called. So how it's matte here and it's gloss here. I just like it. It's nice design. It's nice marketing. You can see they've got this kind of stamp, and they're essentially saying that this is a great business solution that's cost effective and works for small businesses and stuff like that. I know it doesn't say small, but if you're using a larger business, you would probably not be using such a small switch. And I'll have an unboxing of a bigger switch sometime soon. You can see it comes with a 3-year warranty, and that pretty much just covers all the faults. You can see some of the features and specifications here. This is a network diagram of roughly what you could use and just some explanations. Essentially, it's just a normal switch. There's no kind of special features. There's no programming. You just plug it in and it works. Let's open this up. Okay, documentation, switch, and you get the power and feet. So let's quickly grab the feet. Let's chuck them on. You can see here, this is the kind of details at the back. I've obviously blurred out the serial number, but yeah, you can see the model. This is the power voltage as well as how many amperes it needs. These 4 little circles will be where we mount the the grip, as well as these hooks. You can mount this on the wall as well. So what we're going to do is we just, you know, grab one of these. We just peel off the sticker, and we stick it on like so. That's it. And we just repeat. Now, obviously, if you are mounting on this wall, you won't attach the rubber feet. That's pretty standard. So let's go through this. So as you can see, we've got a standard Kensington lock here, and we also have a power socket here. So 9 volts, 6 amps, you can see here, and that's the configuration for the minus and positive. So here you can see you have your 8 gigabit switch ports. Now you can see that's the model number, and on this top right hand corner you can see you got a guide. So when that light is lit up, that means you're using a gigabit connection. When this light, and only this light, is lit up, then you're using a 10 or 100 megabit connection. That's whether it be through the device or just the cable that you're using. So always try to use updated cables. So use cables such as Cat 6 or, you know, Cat 5e, but try to use Cat 6 at least. That's kind of the new standard. It's quite hard to find Cat 5 nowadays when you buy in store. Most are Cat 6. And yeah, you have a power indicator. So let's quickly turn this on to just show you what it looks like. So there you go, all these lights turn up just to indicate, hey, these are working, and this is your power indicator to say that, hey, this switch is on. So the 5-port switch didn't have that, but this 8-port Gigabit switch does. So you also get this power adapter included into it. It's roughly about 1.5 meters in length, and you can see this is the specifications should you need to ever find a replacement. Some of the other things you get, so obviously this is an Australian New Zealand limited warranty card. You also have LED explanations. When the power LED is off, that means it's off. When it's on, it's on. This obviously means connected to a 1000 megabits or 1 gigabit device, and when it's flashing, it means it's transmitting and receiving data, vice versa for the other one. You have a network diagram just to kind of show how you can use this. So for example, you have a router. This is not a replacement for a router. Remember, switches are never a replacement for routers. They are just there to, in a sense, split your network up. So let's just say you had one router with 4 ports, but you needed, you know, to connect at least another 8 devices, then this will be able to do that. It's essentially a splitter. Just think of a switch as a splitter. And that's the easiest way to understand what a switch does. It splits the signal. So you can see here, we're able to, instead of just using this 1 port connection, we can connect 2 devices to your network and therefore your internet. So very simple, very good. Yeah, remember this won't affect internet speeds unless you're having an internet connection of greater than 1 gigabit per second, which not many people have. There are people out there who do, but not through your normal small business. So that's essentially it for this video. Very simple switch. Recommend it, it's very affordable. I think I paid about $40 to $49 for this switch. And yeah, nothing much to say. It's robust, all metal construction. It comes with the rubber feet, which is great. If you ever lose them, you can just find them on eBay, and it's easy as that. But yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Like it if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or any comments about this particular switch or anything else, and I'll try to get around to answering those for you as soon as I can. Subscribe to see more videos like this in the future, and I will see you guys in the next one.